that I'm a fool. No, why don't I? No, I don't wanna see you anymore. I don't wanna be the one to play your game. Kika lang. Masaya na ang buhay. Masaya na. Salamat naman at hindi na maga ang mata ko. I can control now my life. Mahal kita. But you're pushing away my heart from you. Tang ina mo. Bang, nagmurang bigla. Ligo tayo pagbalik Mars. Sunduin muna namin si Fufa. Today is Thursday.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be Friday, the exciting day tomorrow.
Exciting day tomorrow because
we're gonna go to Yan Yan's house tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Nga pala ngayon kami lang dahil umalis yung umalis yung Rockets, liwaliw sa Abu Dhabi. Kanina siya umalis, so kami lang. Solo namin lang. Tuyati, kasal. Laki ng van. Tapos yun, kami lang. Wala na kami snacks. Ay, breakfast namin. Bitbit ko yung breakfast namin. So, kain muna kami ha. Kasama siya. Kasi kasama siya sa budget sa kain.
That's silly.
Ito pa pala ang dugtong. Nakasked na pala yung mga outgoing namin. So, mamaya mag-mall kami. Kasama si na Madam Arwa. Tapos, bukas, pupunta kami kina Ate Jenny. Salamat naman. Makikita ko na naman ang asawa ko doon. Oo, matagal na. Siguro mga isang araw lang. Hindi ko nakita ang video. Tapos, yun na. Yun na. Pasibya. Yun na. Mas mamimili kami bukas sa Lulu Market. Kasi may mga pera kami. Ang sarap, no? Ikaw pa yung iniwan sa bahay. Tapos, may sasakyan na kayo. Magliliwaliw pa kayo kahit saan. Tapos kakain ka lang kayo sa labas. Siyempre, papakainin kami. Tapos, may pera pa kami. Ang sarap ng buhay. Yan pa. Balik na. Huwag nang manatili sa Pinas. Huwag nang piliin ang Pilipinas. Kung pwede pa lang, kung pwede pa lang mag-Saudi nationality. Kung pwede pa lang. Siguro pwede naman siguro. Kasi wala kasi akong asawa dito eh. Kaya hindi pwede. No? Saan ba ito nag-iikot ang mo naman? What happened to the way, Salman? Where did you go? Pinasal na naman kami. Nangyari sa kanya. Ikot-ikot na kami.
I can't.
Why I can't?
I cannot eat if I'm sick.
Diyan.
I can only not.
Good? Huh? What's wrong ahead? Oo, nalimot na. Ngaon. Ano nang pamahaw. Kapil lagi siya sa pamahaw. Dili mo na siya bulaos. Hindi naman yan matakaw ako matakaw. Isa lang yung kakainin niya sa akin. Apat. Mahirap, pagbago na. Bago mo na. Umikot na kami.
I want to go to Max. I got it. I don't go to Max Lago.
Allergic sa bukor yan, Jogo. You did not bring your water?
Yeah.
Where did you put your water?
You forgot to bring it?
Forgot to bring it. You bring it. Sama kay kabuhay. Kaya pala umikot siya. Sobrang traffic sa kabila. Sapol pa din naman kami sa traffic dito. Wala ng Saudi, grabe.
Maria.
Na.
I want to make something
Lela, eat.
of this. I do like that.
Buffy.
You like that blackberry or like pink berry?
No more pink berry. You ate it yesterday. The strawberry. Give me that.
Okay. Eat. Nom nom nom. It's gonna be good.
Topic na kayo to.
Recording again.
Sila sa dani. Why? So it's fun. They're blocking the way. They're blocking the way. So what should we do?
Don't scream, Maria. I'm quiet. Your mom has to be excited.
Na Thursday namin. Nagkakit pa rin sa karon tayo.
You have to be happy.
Okay, I'm happy. I just want them to give us way, okay? Because they're blocking the way.
Don't worry. Mom was blocking the way when I was doing that.
What? What?
Mom was blocking the way on my time.
Thursday, Sunday, last na nila. Wala na, mamihingaw na rin eh. Wala na yung klase. Go there, go there. There, that's the room there. Nila, go. There! Go. Go, I'll follow you. Nila, go. Special guest. You will not come back?
I come back, inshallah.
Okay.
This is Selena.
Selena Gomez?
No.
Selena Gomez. Ulit na siya sa buhay ko. So, what is your plan?
That's like my sister.
People say that I'm a fool. What am I? Hey, come on, let's go. Hi, elevator day. It's a teary Thursday, but I will not cry. I promise to myself, I will not cry. I will not cry. People say that I'm a fool. No, I don't. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, I never see the elevator in a long time.
Yeah, because it was broken.
Did they fix it?
Who's calling you? Remember?
Driver.
One missed call from the number, your number, and then it says that she has to pay this amount so she can call you. So you have to pay.
Oh, Alforsan, see you next month. How many
You're
months?
Come back on Sunday. Say that on Sunday, not now.
Not now.
Wait. Go back.
Amina Abdullahi. Why go back? Take a picture for me. Yalla. We'll take a picture for us. Let's be so. She's leaving to Boston. They are. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, baby nuggets.
I'm not a crier, but
My God, I can control my tears ever since in the night. Thank you so
we're
much.
going to Lane.
And what time?
I have no idea. My mom's not. She didn't tell you?
She did, but she did not tell me the time. Wait, let's go. Nasaan na to yung miss?
No.
What happened to the jacket? It's ending now. Ay, good. Good. My dress is slippery. Remo is very. Maria, don't do like that. Because the kids are blocking the way they are talking.
No.
No, it's not. It's not the same as the other. And then, hold your sister, Pupa. Ay! Malikdakil ka diya. Yala. Look at her. Hina, hey! Remo, where's your wavy? Wavy. Take care for the writing. Yala. Aray ko.
I'll put it up like that. Like this.
Build yourself, B.
Okay, I'll put it like that. That is so good.
Some gazella. Gazella. But Farah is the very most dearly because she really stayed.
I stayed.
And you? But you did not cry.
She did. Farah cried so much.
Yeah.
Even the French teacher cried. The
Farah,
French teacher cried.
we will miss them. But the thing, we will miss them. But the thing, we will miss them. Ang ganon lang. No?
I will miss my friends.
You at least you have like your friends, yani.
But yeah, I will be in a different class.
Yeah, I know. Next.
Will be? Why?
KJ3.
I can have different friends.
And you have different, maybe some. Ah,
Allah will stick with you.
inshallah. It's okay then.
Still know her.
Of course. Someone sees the oil. What happened to the fish? Slippery.
Look. So, look what happened. But I could do the thing.
Maya is goofy.
Shubi.
Maya. Ah!
Goofy.
Wait, roller coaster.
Wait.
Ah! I did it.
Maya quit.
I did it, hooray!
Maya quit.
I did it, hooray!